Hello everyone, myself Naveen. I'm the Maths Mentor. Welcome to our YouTube channel aka Sprint Education. And today's session, let us discuss about exact trigonometric values using hand trick. Okay, if you take left hand side, this is our thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and this is our zero finger. Okay, we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మనము కరెస్పాండింగ్ యాంగిల్స్ కి ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఫస్ట్ కమింగ్ టు సైన్ values find చేద్దాం. First angle 0 degrees. If you want to find sine, root over fingers below by 2. Okay, చూద్దాం root over fingers below by 2. First sine 0 చూద్దాం. 0 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఈ ఫింగర్ కి బిలో ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఇంకా ఏ ఫింగర్ లేదు అంటే root over number of fingers 0 by 2. So root 0 means 0 by 2, 0 by something 0. And the sin 0 what? 0. Now coming to sin 30, I mean ring finger. This is our ring finger. Below we have one finger. So if you want to find sin 30, for sin 30 we have one finger, root 1 by 2. Root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, now coming to sin 45, that is middle finger. Fingers below we have 1, 2. I mean root 2 by 2. Root 2 is nothing but, see here, this 2 I can write as, denominator 2 I can write as root 2 into root 2. As root 2 gets cancelled, we will get sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Now coming to sin 60. Coming to sin 60, below 60 we have 3 fingers. Sin 60 we have 3 fingers, I mean root 3 by 2 because root fingers below divided by 2. Now coming to sin 90, below 90 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Okay, so sin 90 below we have total 4 fingers by 2. As root 4 is nothing but 2, 2 by 2 nothing but 1. So students, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Okay, now coming to cos. If you take cos function, that is root over fingers above by 2. Fingers above by 2. For example, you see, let us find first cos 0. Okay, 0 is here. Okay, if I take like this, 0 is over here. Above 0 we have 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Total we have 4 fingers. So fingers above is 4 by 2. As root 4 value 2, 2 by 2, 1. So cos, we are finding cos 0 value 1. Coming to cos 30. Coming to cos 30, above 30 we have 1, 2, 3 fingers. Ante root 3 by 2. So that's all. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Now coming to cos 45, above 45 we have 2 fingers, 60 and 90. So root 2 by 2. As root 2, this 2 I can write as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. We'll get 1 by root 2. Now coming to cos 60, above 60 we have only one finger by 2, root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now coming to cos 90, we don't have any finger above, that is 0, root 0 is nothing but 0, 0 by something is 0. So I mean cos 0 value 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 value 1 by root 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2, cos 90 value 0. Okay, now we are coming to tan 0, I mean if you want to find trigonometric values of tan function, so that is root over fingers below by root over fingers above. Okay, so or else simply tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. If you want, let us see here, if you want to find 0, fingers below is, we don't have any fingers, so 0 by above 1 2 3 4. Root 0 means 0 only, 0 by something, 0 only. So tan 0, 0 only. Now if you want to find tan 30, fingers below, 30 below we have 1, root 1 by fingers above 1 2 3, we have 3. So root 1 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3. Now coming to tan 45, below is 1 2, I mean root 2, above also 1 2 root 2. Root 2 by root 2 nothing but 1. So tan 45 value 1. Now coming to tan 60, above 60, first below 1 2 3 root 3 by above is root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1 only. So tan 60 value root 3. Now coming to tan 90, below is 1 2 3 4 root 4 by above we don't have anything. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. So tan 90 value is infinity. So this is the super trick. We have several tricks to find exact trigonometric values, but this is the most easiest and we can easily remember this trick, children. Okay, I hope you understood this trick. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children. Thank you.